Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by enabling mobile data because that's the fastest way to get online without Wi-Fi. First, confirm your tablet accepts a SIM or eSIM and that your carrier supports data plans for tablets. Once you have a plan, insert the SIM or provision the eSIM and enable cellular/data in settings. Reboot if the signal doesn't appear. Doing this first avoids later resets and ensures your tablet has the cellular radio active before moving to tethering or app steps. Next, you'll share a phone's mobile data or set up your tablet as its own hotspot. If using a phone, turn on Personal Hotspot and connect the tablet over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Bluetooth saves battery while Wi-Fi gives better speed. For direct USB tethering, connect the devices and allow data sharing on the phone. If pages won't load or speed is poor, make sure the APN settings match your carrier. Adjusting the APN fixes many connection problems, so try that before troubleshooting hardware. To complete the setup, open multiple web pages and a streaming app to confirm stable access. Monitor your data usage to avoid extra charges. If you lose connection, restart the tablet and the hotspot device or toggle airplane mode to reset radios. Reinserting the SIM often clears registration issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier to check provisioning or unlock status. Remember, having offline maps and essential files available is a good fallback while you resolve
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.